Hey, radical thought. Today's radical question is, why is the sky blue? Why isn't it violet? White light, as we know it, is actually a mixture of 7 different colors that we can see. If you ever place a prism in a beam of sunlight, you will find that it separates into different colors. The spectral colors of white light all have different wavelengths. Light usually travels in a straight line unless it witnesses an obstacle and observes one of the 3 particular phenomena. These phenomena are reflection, refraction, or Rayleigh scattering. Reflection is a phenomenon in which light simply bounces off a surface at the same angle it hits, just like a mirror. In refraction, light bends at a particular angle once it changes its medium of travel, just like a prism. The third phenomena is related to why the sky is blue. See, the Earth's atmosphere is comprised of tiny particles of numerous gases, including nitrogen and oxygen. When sunlight shines on these particles, it bounces off in different directions. This phenomena is called Rayleigh scattering. According to Rayleigh, the scattering intensity is inversely proportional to the wavelength of the fourth power. This means that shorter wavelengths like violet will scatter 9 times more than longer wavelengths like red. But then why doesn't the sky appear violet or indigo, since their wavelengths are smaller than blue? There are 2 reasons for that. One being that sunlight has more blue light in it than violet. Secondly, the cone cells in the human eyes are well tuned to detect 3 colors: red, blue, and green. As human beings, we recognize blue easily compared to violet. And that's why the sky appears light blue to our eyes. This is truly a blessing. Due to this, our atmosphere seems illuminated in the daytime. If this phenomena did not occur, or if our atmosphere was absent, we would only see sunlight from one direction with black sky, which will not be much use, as it would be similar to using a flashlight in a dark room. Now, let's say, for sake of argument, that our sun's light spectrum starts to shift and it now has more violet than blue. Imagine what it would be like if our sky was purple. Would we enjoy the new change or dread the toxic looking color? After all, it's highly likely that there are other planets with different colored skies. So, what do you think? Leave a comment. And as always, thanks for watching.